That's how you have to put your all-in-one. That's 520. First you have to open this lid, put your finger there, there's some space there, just pull it off, it comes off. Now there are 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3, and that's your USB dongle for keyboard and mouse. So just open those 3 screws. That's the last one. Then pull this up from this side and it comes off. This lid comes off, and that's the hard drive. And there's only 1 screw for the hard drive. Just open that screw and push it like that. That's your hard drive, and then put it back. Just push it hard. Put it back. Tighten the screw. Make sure you tighten it properly, and then you have to put this cover back. This side goes first, like this, and then this. Just push it, not too hard, and then tighten all those screws again. And put this lid back this way. Now it's all done.